Hello and good evening, this is Ruth Pozuelo from Curbal.com, and today I have a real treat for you because I'm going to show you how to easily create infographics in Power BI. So stay tuned. So how are we going to create these infographics in an easy way? Well, Microsoft has secretly or quietly at least released a new Power BI custom visual. I am going to show you. So if you navigate to the custom visuals gallery, you will see here something called Infonice, which is actually nice. And here you will see the visual. Here you can download an example, and here you can download the actual visual. And I am going to do a quick demo on how it works. It's actually pretty cool. So let's go back to Power BI. So what I have here is the Northwind data source as usual. So if you need to download it, just make sure you check the description box for instructions on how to do it. And what we have is a list of cool products. So let's do an infographic on that and see how the visual works. So we are going to first click on the visual, is this one. Once you download it, you have to import it by doing like that, import a custom visual, and then you just upload the file. And these, I don't know, rose or flower will show up. And we have an empty visual. What you need to add here is a category. So we are going to add a product name. We have filter by dairy products, so we don't get the entire data set. It would be too big. And then we need a measure. So let's do sales. So we want to know the sales for our dairy products. In this case, our, again, cheese. So once you do that, you see a small pencil. You click on that. And then I recommend that you do it bigger, because otherwise this panel is almost unreadable. So you can upload a shape for your infographic, but the nice thing is that Microsoft has already thought about it and gave us standards that we can pick, and I think this is actually very neat. So we have all kinds of stuff. So let's pick, because they're dairy products, we can have like a milk package. Well, you can choose here if you want to have multiple units, and the row count. So what's the difference? Row count 1, row count 2, 3. Or you can do it on the other way around. Instead of up, you can do it units per row. So we say 2, you see, 2 rows, or 3, and it will adjust accordingly. And I think this is actually quite nice, because when we have one, it was very easy to, also very difficult to read. Now when we can add more, like beans, to our data, it becomes more clear. And not only that, here we can actually add the percentage of sales. So we can see in percentage how big that is visually. That's super cool. We can change the color, of course. Let's do something bright. And we can choose the color of the values, but we can even choose the color of the gray ones. I wouldn't recommend to do that, but you can do it. Show partial. Okay, yeah. So what these does, do you see the ones that are not an entire filled up entirely? It removes them. If you just want to have like decimals or whole numbers, we would call it like that. Unit background. Not sure what it does. Something is doing. Don't know. And keep ratio, I guess this is perhaps for the shape of the picture, so it doesn't expand or something. So this is really nice. You can put it in the front or in the back as you like. You can add, of course, new. You can add text if you want to. We don't want to do that, so let's remove it. Or you can upload the shapes there, and then here you can upload your own. It must be like that. To delete that, just press delete. This is really nice, isn't it? So now that we are done, we can, I guess, go through the different stuff. Of course, you will always get the milk package, but you could have something else like a food symbol or something, because all of this is food. Nice, huh? So for inspiration of what is possible besides what I've showed you, if you download the example from the Microsoft site, you will find the... So here are, for example, examples of, this is like mobile phones. So the same picture, bigger or smaller, we could see that. This is the one that we tried. This is quite nice. Here we have like ratings, bottles, and then you can have like these arrows that will move, and you can add text. This is the typical infographic. And look, here is actually a link that I have missed, where it shows... Oh, walkthrough, you see? Awesome. Well, they did such a good job that it was easy to figure out, but here you have instructions on how to use it. So super cool. Make sure you download it. This is going to be quite fun to work with, and give some head ups to the Microsoft team for doing such a great job. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and then you're already running to the custom visual sites to download this awesome visual. If you like the video, please let me know by liking it. Please share if you want others to know about this also. Questions, comments, suggestions, as always, on the comment box or any of the social channels listed on the description box. And subscribe. I publish videos every week. Have a great evening. Bye.